Veteran BJP leader and Chandni Chowk MP Dr. Harshvardhan has announced his departure from active politics following alleged denial of a ticket for the upcoming Lok Sabha elections. His decision came in response to the Delhi BJP's declaration of candidates for 5 constituencies, including Praveen Khandelwal in Chandni Chowk on Saturday. Dr. Vardhan, with a distinguished political career spanning 5-time MLA and 2-time MP from the constituency, has previously served as Union Minister of Health and Union Environment Minister. In his announcement, he hinted at a return to his profession as an ENT surgeon and expressed intent to resume duties at his clinic in East Delhi's Krishna Nagar. Announcing his exit, the senior party leader posted on X, "After over 30 years of a glorious electoral career, during which I won all the 5 assembly and 2 parliamentary elections that I fought with exemplary margins and held a multitude of prestigious positions in the party organization and the governments at the state and centre, I finally bowed out to return to my roots." Saying that his motto has been to help the poor and the needy since the first day at his alma mater GSVM Medical College, Kanpur, where he studied MBBS, Vardhan added that he entered politics following the insistence of the then RSS leadership. A Swayam Sevak at heart, I've always been an ardent admirer of Deen Dayal Upadhyay ji's Antyodaya philosophy of striving to serve the last man in the queue. It was at the insistence of the then RSS leadership that I jumped into the electoral fray. They could convince me only because, for me, politics meant the opportunity to fight our 3 main enemies: poverty, disease, and ignorance. Dr. Harshvardhan said in his post, Praveen Khandelwal, the candidate fielded from Chandni Chowk, is a prominent businessman and holds the position of General Secretary at the Confederation of All India Traders. With a notable background, Khandelwal has actively contributed to various economic discussions, having served on the GST panel and consistently raising concerns regarding the dominance of foreign-based e-commerce companies over local businesses in the market. Additionally, he has held the position of treasurer in the Delhi unit of the BJP, showcasing his commitment to both economic and political spheres. Senior BJP leader Dr. Harshvardhan has earned praise for his significant contributions to public health, particularly for his pivotal role in the implementation of the Pulse Polio program in the country. Reflecting on his tenure, Dr. Vardhan expressed satisfaction in serving the common man and highlighted his passion for public health. He noted his tenure as Delhi Health Minister and twice as Union Health Minister, emphasizing his commitment to addressing critical health issues, including the monumental task of achieving a polio-free India and managing the challenges posed by the COVID-19 pandemic. However, AAP senior leader Atishi criticized the BJP's decision to replace sitting MPs, including Dr. Harshvardhan, for the upcoming elections. Notably, before Dr. Vardhan, sitting MP Gautam Gambhir also announced his decision to step away from active politics to focus on cricket.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.